we are officially a quarter of the way through 2025. Isn't that crazy? I always do a mid-year reset, but this year I really wanted to do a quarter-year reset. In this video, I really want to get my routine back. I want to feel productive and motivated again and figure out how I can keep pushing to pursue all of my goals for this year because we are already 25% through the year. So random, I bought these two from Victoria's Secret. They're these vanilla scents. This is the body lotion and the matching hair and body mist. I also have the body wash and I get so many compliments when I wear this. Like, I literally went to a cafe the other day and the girl was like, "Can I ask what perfume you're wearing?" And I'm like, dude, it's so random. It's like the Victoria's Secret vanilla body mist, but it smells so good and it actually sticks, especially when I layer. If you're looking for some new scents, it's been my go-to lately. It smells so good. So I just finished getting ready. I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna head over to get some breakfast and start working. I have to edit, I have to plan, and also I want to read. I've been so into the book I'm reading right now, which I'll talk about in a little bit. I've had a lot of big changes in my life recently. Number one being I had to get a new laptop, and it was a little bit unexpected. My laptop has had issues for a while, but it just gave out on me. For like a week, I tried to get it fixed. I was driving to the store every day, and then I ended up getting a new laptop and ordering it. So for like a week, I did not have a laptop. I could not work on anything. So I've had so much to catch up on. So that was unexpected, and change can make me a little bit anxious. So I've been trying to just go into these new changes throughout my entire life with positivity and with excitement. Change can be a good thing. First, I found this little crystal. I think it's sodalite. I've been wanting to collect bigger crystals like this, especially like the tower ones, like the pointed. I think they are so pretty, so cute for like my living room. If you guys don't know, I live right next to the beach, so I'm trying to incorporate more like beachy tones in my apartment, and I think this is really gonna do it. I bought this. It is the softest tank top I have ever felt. It's in the prettiest blue color. So I feel like this setup is very beachy in here and I love it. I don't know, I don't feel like I'm the beachiest person, but my apartment is right next to the beach now, so I'm trying to embrace it, make it feel really cute in here. You guys, it's 333 and I decided to make this setup even better. I got out a bunch of my crystals. I've had them downstairs for the longest time, but I really like the idea of having them up here in my living room. I really love how my new crystal looks next to this blue calcite candle holder. It is one of the coolest things I have. And then I have a bunch of my smaller crystals. I love this size because I love carrying them around with me, but these are more what I'm talking about in terms of what I want to be collecting. I love these large tower crystals. This one is citrine, which was my favorite for a long time. I just love this one. And this candle is smelling amazing. I also have this one, which I think is emerald, which I just put up here because it has been sitting in this plant with these crystals for the longest time now. And I like to think that it helps the plant receive energy too. So anyway, I love the energy and frequency this is bringing to the room. I think it looks so nice set up like this. I'm the type of person who wears jewelry 24/7, like when I go to sleep, when I get in the shower. I wear my everyday pieces with every single outfit for every single occasion. And recently I've been obsessed with the brand Linjer. They have the perfect pieces for every day because all of their designs are simple and minimal and they look so elegant. I love this brand because sustainability is a core value. They use recycled materials wherever possible, including 100% recycled gold and silver, as well as recycled and sustainable packaging, offsetting carbon emissions for every shipment, and they fight against fast fashion and make their products to last. Their plating is 5 times thicker than regular gold-plated jewelry and 100 times thicker than regular flat-plated jewelry. So their pieces will outlast regular gold-plated and flash-plated jewelry by many years, and that's exactly what I'm looking for when I'm buying pieces for everyday use because I want them to last a long time, even though I know I'm going to be wearing them 24/7. So I found 3 beautiful jewelry pieces these 2 rings and 1 necklace that are so perfect for every day. I'm a gold person, so of course everything's gold, and I love stacking my rings, so I found these 2 that go perfectly together. First, this shape is unlike anything I've ever seen. I love this ring, and I decided to pair it with this teardrop shaped ring. These look so pretty together. They look so elegant and high quality, and I know I can wear these when I'm dressing up or just for every day. I am so in love with how these look together. And then I also found this necklace, and same thing, this is gonna be perfect for every day because it's really simple and subtle, but it just adds a little bit extra to any outfit. I think it is so beautiful, and especially now that it's springtime, these are gonna go perfectly for the new season. I am so excited to finally update my everyday collection with these pieces. So if you guys wanna check out Linjer, I will have a link in the description, so definitely check them out, and thank you so much to Linjer for sponsoring today's video. As you guys saw, I had a mall day yesterday with my sister Tierney, and it was so much fun. We actually both found a lot of really good stuff. Sometimes going to the mall is like such a hit or miss, but I always prefer shopping in person versus shopping online. It's so much more fun. I love like touching the fabric, trying things on, and seeing what I'm gonna buy in person. So I was really happy to find like a lot of stuff I really liked. So to start out with, I put together an entire outfit. I already had these boots and the socks, but besides that, I put together this super cute all white outfit. Here is the full outfit all put together. I'm kind of obsessed. Like, I think this is one of the cutest outfits I've made. This is like exactly the bag I've been looking for recently, but it goes perfectly with my boots. Like, guys, it actually goes perfectly. Like, it matches so well. And then I have on some tall socks. I'm honestly just obsessed with this outfit. I have on my everyday jewelry also. Like, oh my God, I think this is so cute. I wanna wear this all the time. You guys are probably gonna be seeing this outfit in my next couple videos. I also still have the tags on, so ignore that, but I just can't get over this bag. I've been referencing my Pinterest boards a lot when I shop, so that way I can see like different things styled and how they're gonna look with other pieces in my closet. And then I also bought this top. It's just a black short sleeve. And then I also bought this. This is the exact top I've been looking for. It's just a navy blue short sleeve with buttons. This bag is probably my favorite thing I got. I am just so excited to wear this summer. And then I stopped in Lush and I bought 2 new Lush products. Anyway, that's everything I bought. I was gonna wear this out today, but it is that time of month and I'm not gonna risk anything. Like, as much as I love this outfit, I can't do that. I can't wear a white skirt out today, but I'm so excited to wear this. As I said, you guys will probably see this in the next couple videos. It's just so cute. I don't know if you guys have seen this new makeup case by Say that just came out. It is the prettiest mini pink makeup case, and it has these inserts to hold all of your products. I'm in love with the color. I think it's so pretty. I think it's a really cute size to keep on my vanity and for like little weekend trips. So I wanted to fill it up just so I can have it on my vanity. That actually worked out pretty well. This looks so cute. I love the little hair clip on the top, on the strap. This looks so good. I actually fit a decent amount of products in here, which I love, especially since it's a mini case. So here is what I ended up getting from the grocery store today. Kind of a mix of everything. I really needed just a big restock because my fridge is empty. I got a couple breakfast foods, eggs, sausage, and cottage cheese has been my go-to breakfast. And then I needed to get everything for my coffee. I make an iced caramel latte every day, but I've also been wanting to try these smoothies from Press Juicery. So I bought a protein vanilla one and then also this pineapple like daily wellness smoothie. Both looked really good. And then I got some vegetables, avocado, avocados are my favorite ever, and then I love tomatoes and zucchini. I got strawberries, apples, and then I ended up getting some ground beef and salmon for dinner and gum. I love keeping this in my car. Honestly, like this is a pretty good idea of what I get at each grocery trip because I know I'm gonna use every single thing. So, like sometimes when I do a grocery restock, I get a huge haul and then stuff ends up going bad because I can't use it fast enough. So this is like a good amount of food that I know I'll finish. So you guys have really been loving my cleaning content on my channel. I uploaded 2 cleaning videos in the last couple months and there was so much good feedback I got from those videos. I love filming them too because it really holds me accountable to like actually clean and get things done, and I motivate myself by filming them. And let me just be so real and tell you guys right now, I could film those videos way more often because my apartment is like a disaster in 2 seconds. I don't know what it is. Like I feel like I am not the cleanest person and my boyfriend is not the cleanest person. If there's stuff I leave out, like my products on the bathroom counter or like my laundry everywhere, I don't even really notice it, but it starts to build up. I feel like it's really draining the energy out of me. Like the last like 2 weeks, I have just felt very defeated, really drained, and honestly, it might be because my apartment looks like this. So I'm gonna make my everyday coffee now that I have all the ingredients, and I'm gonna get to work and pick this up. This isn't gonna be a full cleaning video like I love doing on my channel, but it should be really motivating, and I think it's gonna get my mood up a lot more than I think. So I just cleaned for over 2 hours and it was so worth it. I feel like your environment just controls so much of your mood. Like when my space is really cluttered and messy, it's all I can think about. So I'm so glad I put that at the top of my list for the day. I'm feeling really good. And I think my motivation will definitely have changed when I look around and it looks so clean in here. Yeah. We are gonna attempt to take Theodore on a walk, and I've always wanted to do this. He is so curious. He always wants to go outside every time I leave the house. He does not know what to think. Oh, you like it. The harness. And a new friend. Oh, you're so cute. And he already knows which apartment is mine. He's ready to go in. We did it! Our first walk! He actually did so good. He made a friend, he socialized, he played in the dirt, he smelled all the flowers, he walked around, got some sun. We will definitely be doing this again. He was not a fan of the harness. Next, we're gonna see the beach. You've never seen the beach. I think he's tired now. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, I have been learning to play the electric guitar for a couple months now. So unfortunately, I cannot have on my acrylics. And it makes me so sad. I miss them so much. So instead, I put on press-ons. I'm about to switch to this set. And I love this brand, Glamnetic. They have like the best press-ons. And it makes it so easy because I can have cute nails and then easily take them off when I want to play guitar. So anyway, I'm gonna put these on right now. I just love how clean they look. They always come out so cute. I just finally sat down to eat my breakfast, but I wanted to end this video on a note regarding my obsession with this book. I cannot even begin to tell you guys how infatuated I am with this book. One of my goals for this year was to read more, and I have tried everything, I swear. Like, I've tried so many different genres. I've gone to the bookstore, I've romanticized my life, I've had such a good time picking things out and then sitting at the coffee shop and reading. I've tried annotating my books. I got so many book recommendations from TikTok, but no book will hook me like Suzanne Collins and The Hunger Games, my first love. I have had such a love for the books and such a love for the movies. So of course, it's what gets me out of a reading slump. And the last book I read was The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes that came out in 2020. Now we have this amazing masterpiece and the movie coming out next year. I cannot put it down. I've like had to force myself to put it down because I know once I finish this book, I'll probably be in a reading slump again. So right now I'm on page 222. I would highly recommend, I've already recommended this book to like a couple people. I'm also drinking my smoothie that I got in this video. It's a protein vanilla smoothie. Anyway, so usually when I eat breakfast, I watch a show. Like, I like to ease into the day and make it super chill, but not today. Today I'm reading because this is all I can think about. Like, all day, every time I get this invested into a book, I like get really sad when something bad is happening in the book. Like, my mood for the entire day is controlled by what I'm reading. Yeah, so I've kind of been sad today, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, I just had to talk about this in this video because I am reaching my goal for the year. I did want to read more. Suzanne Collins got me there, so thank you to my queen. If any author can get me reading again, it's her. I'm also to the point of this book where it can stay open like this, and that is my favorite part of reading. Like, when I don't have to hold it, especially because this is hardcover, my hand always gets sore from holding it up. So now it just lays perfectly like this. This is my favorite part. It's the most satisfying thing. So I'm gonna get to reading. I would recommend this book to anyone out there in a reading slump, or if you just love a good book. Thank you guys so much for staying until the end of this video. I love you all so, so much. Let me know if you are reaching your goals this year, and if you're not, it's okay. We're 25% of the way done with the year, but we still have 75% to go. So we have a lot of time to accomplish our goals and do everything that we wanted to do this year. I hope this video motivated you, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.